Peace and blessings be upon you all. In our previous episode, we spoke of Abd al-Ghani al-Nabulsi, the mystic who gave this tradition a new life in Damascus. Until now, our journey has moved largely through Arabia, Persia, and Syria. But today we turn toward a new land, the Indian subcontinent. And here we meet a scholar counted among the greatest thinkers and hadith masters of the subcontinent. His name was Imam Shah Waliullah Dehlawi. Who was Shah Waliullah? He was born in the year 1114 Hijri, near the city of Delhi, and passed away in the year 1176 Hijri. Shah Waliullah was a remarkable figure. He was a master of hadith, a jurist, a commentator, a philosopher, and a mystic. He gave the science of hadith a new foundation in the subcontinent, and he translated the Quran into the language of his region so that ordinary people could understand it. And his most famous work is a great treatise on the deeper wisdom and secrets behind religious teaching, a monumental work still studied in universities around the world today. Now, an important point. Shah Waliullah's distinction is that he united disciplines that on the surface seem very different. On one hand, he held firmly to the strict principles of hadith and law. On the other, he descended into the depths of the inner path and spirituality. And so, when Shah Waliullah speaks of the primordial light, his words carry a particular weight, because he holds both the caution of a hadith master and the depth of a mystic. So what did Shah Waliullah say about this reality? In several of his works, he touches on this theme. He holds that the spiritual reality of the beloved Prophet, peace and blessings be upon him, is more excellent and more prior than all created things. For him, the grace and the light of the Prophet, peace and blessings be upon him, encompass the whole of creation. But Shah Waliullah presented this theme in a distinctive, wisdom-centered way. He does not merely say that this light is first. He explains the wisdom behind it. He shows that within the order of creation, this reality holds a central role, and that the whole grace of guidance and mercy reaches the world through it. Shah Waliullah offers a beautiful idea. He explains that the mercy and the guidance of the beloved Prophet, peace and blessings be upon him, are not bound to one people or one age. Rather, their grace reaches every age, every people, and every heart. And this is what was spoken of long ago, that the Prophet, peace and blessings be upon him, was sent as a mercy to all the worlds. For Shah Waliullah, this universal mercy is itself the proof that his spiritual reality is deeply connected to the whole of creation. If he is a mercy to all the worlds, then his grace too must reach across all the worlds. And we saw this very logic at the very start of our series. Now look at our series thread. Shah Waliullah is a most important bridge in this tradition. On one side, he is the inheritor of the scholars before him, from the very first figure down to the mystic of Damascus. On the other, he is the founder of this tradition in the subcontinent, for the scholarly tradition that grew there after him is, in large part, a continuation of his knowledge. And it is striking that the scholarly lineage and the students of Shah Waliullah went on to give rise to great movements of learning across the subcontinent. So Shah Waliullah is not merely one individual. He is the wellspring of an entire scholarly tradition. And the necessary clarification, which we repeat in every episode, Shah Waliullah, a careful hadith master and a scholar of oneness, never attributes the qualities of the divine to the Prophet, peace and blessings be upon him. For him, the Most High alone is eternal, one and uncreated. The Prophet, peace and blessings be upon him, however lofty his station, is a servant and a messenger. The moon may be the brightest light in the night, but its light is always borrowed. It never becomes the sun. For Shah Waliullah, the point is only this, that the Most High, in his system of wisdom, made this reality the center of guidance and mercy. But the Creator is the Most High alone. And the Prophet, peace and blessings be upon him, is his most perfect creation and most perfect servant. So what is the summary of today's episode? Imam Shah Waliullah Dehlawi, the great hadith master, jurist, and mystic of the 12th century Hijri, gave this tradition a new, wisdom-centered foundation in the subcontinent. He connected the spiritual reality of the beloved Prophet, peace and blessings be upon him, to the order of creation and to universal mercy. And so he united the caution of a hadith master with the depth of a mystic. In our next episode, we will speak of another great scholar of the subcontinent, one who devoted his heart, his pen, and his entire life to the honor of the beloved Prophet. Peace and blessings be upon him, Imam Ahmad Raza Khan. So please subscribe and stay with us through this series. May the Most High grant us true recognition and understanding. Allah Hafiz.